Hello coders, welcome to Code with Ganesh channel. This is Ganesh. In this video, I will show you how the queue data structure works and how to implement queue data structure in JavaScript. If you are not sure how the queue data structure works, this is the video for you. Watch until the end. Let's get started. The queue data structure is one of the basic data structure which follows first in first out pattern. What does that mean? Whatever the data inserted at first, that is the data will be deleted from the queue at first. So the order whatever it is inserted, that is the order the data will be taken out from the queue. To explain this in the graphical way, you can see that when we insert the data inserted one by one on top of each other, and then when we delete the data will be deleted the same order how it got inserted into the queue. This is the way like how the queue data structure store the data and then remove the data from the storage. There is no inbuilt queue data structure in JavaScript. What we have to do is you have to use the array and array methods to achieve queue data structure in the JavaScript. So you can see that I declared one array and then I am pushing 3 elements to an array. So when I run this code, you can see that the data is inserted as like one by one, right? So first it inserted 1, and then second it's inserted 2, and then third it inserted 3. So to follow the like queue data structure, it has to be removed the same way how it got inserted. So for example, like the 1 it has to be removed as first, and then 2 it has to be removed as second, and then 3 finally it has to be removed. To achieve this array, it has like another method called shift that will delete the data from the beginning. So you can see that I'm deleting one by one. Let me uncomment this code and let me run this one again, and you can see that this is the like all inserted data, and when I use shift, this is deleted the first element from the array, and then when I use shift, it deletes the second element, and then finally it deletes the third element. So this is the way like we have to implement queue data structure in JavaScript.